Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to clock the piston rings on 420A Eclipse. I'm gonna use my manual, so I'm gonna show you the correct way to clock them. What is clocking? Well, clocking is the way you put piston rings on your piston so you don't get blowby. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on stand right now and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so now you're gonna ask, what is blowby? Well, blowby is when the two piston rings are the openings are really close to each other. So when this piston is going up, the compression just leaks through there, as well as your oil will go to your combustion chamber, and it can cause all sorts of problems. But anyway, I'm gonna show you now how to do it, right? This is your error in this F right here. It shows that that's your front of the engine. Also, this, remember, this is only for 420A engine, which is Eclipse, Neons, Dodge engine. So let's do this then. The oil rings, which are the oil control rings, which are those three all together, three. It's actually a spring and two steel rings. Those, I'll put the picture up here as well, but those go, I already marked it, since this is your front of your engine, right? One will go right here and one right there. It don't really matter which one goes where. Now, number one, which is the top one right here, it's gonna go in this corner right here, right there. Okay, and then number two, it goes right here in this corner. All right, that's pretty much it. That's how you have it. You're gonna see in picture as well. Also, remember, when you're putting this, put it on there, try not to move it, because you can actually move the rings as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. An easy way to put your rings in right directions, following, of course, the Mitsubishi manual. Again, make sure you subscribe if you're new, if you're watching this, of course. Like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.